Hi, in this video we are going to see that how we can scrape unlimited business data from Yellow Pages, which is a powerful business directory which contains a well-structured, highly categorized businesses' informations like their names, contact numbers, email addresses, etc. With complete automation by using this software, you can download the software from our official website. I will leave a direct download link of this same software in the description. This software comes with its source code, doesn't require any license key or any installations. You can use the same software on n number of PCs because you just need to extract it and use it. Let me show you. First, let's unzip this zip file. Inside this folder, you will find several things like its documentation guide, which shows you how to use this software, but you won't need that because I'm going to show you the same thing in more detail throughout this video. This folder contains the source code of this application. If you're from coding background, you can modify the things according to your wish. And this folder contains its drivers, like if you're using any different browser version or different browsers, so there are recommended drivers for each in this packages folder. But if you're not interested in none of these, simply open this release folder, and from here, double-click to open this exe file. That's the splash screen, or you can say a home screen of this software. It will start without any installation wizard, and it won't ask you anything to activate it. But before following these steps, first, we need to configure some settings which are inside General Settings. Here we need to set our default browser. There are two browser options available in this software, Mozilla Firefox and Google Chrome. No Microsoft Edge for now, so you can select any browser from these two. Just make sure the selected browser has been installed on your PC if you want to follow this video step by step exactly. So select Chrome, because in this PC currently only Google Chrome is there, so I'm selecting. Rest are the settings, which depends upon you. Either you can go it with default or change it to speed up your scraping process. Like how many seconds to wait between each operation, you can define any number here. Similarly, wait this number of seconds after every this number of extract operation. This means wait for 2 seconds after scraping 10 businesses information. You can change these numbers according to your preferences, but for now I'm not changing it because my purpose today is not the data scraping, but to show you the demonstration of how you can do it. So these defaults options are fine for me, so I will click Save Changes. Now let's go to step 1, define the keywords here. You can define multiple keywords here by just separating them with comma. This will be your search keywords, like what's the type of business you are searching for. Like I'm searching for digital marketing agencies location. I will copy the same location from here and paste it here, which means I'm looking to scrape digital marketing agencies data, which is located in Los Angeles. Here we can define the number of pages we want to scrape the data from. 1 means it will scrape 30 businesses details of this keyword. There is no limitation of scraping as much number of pages you want to scrape, but here you need to take care about your ISP's IP reputation. It's always good if you have large number of data to scrape. Then use Windows Server RDP and configure HTTP private proxies, which avoids the risk of IP blacklisting. If you want to know more about it, just leave comments below and we will create a dedicated video about creating Windows RDPs and configuring proxies onto it. For now, let's go for 1 page, because again, the purpose here is to teach you about data scraping from Yellow Pages. In step 2, you need to specify the path where you're extracted informations are going to export as .csv file. I'm selecting desktop. Also, you can change the default name of that .csv file. By default it's results.csv, but you can change it if you want. Next is, what informations are you looking to scrape of businesses from, like their business names, category, addresses, phone numbers, email addresses, etc. You can select all by clicking here, but seriously, you don't need this reviews, map links, etc., because it has no use in contacting them virtually. But still, whatever options you want, you can select it according to your preference. after selecting the required options. Click Step 3, which is basically the overview of your previous 2-step selections. If you want to change anything, you can go back and change, or if you're okay with that, you can click Start Process. It has started scraping the business's information from Yellow Pages. Now we just need to wait for some time till it finishes off. It will work on the speed based on the frequency we have set from general settings. You can either slow or fasten this process, but for now, let's wait till it finishes off. It has extracted the data according to what we have configured in the software that scrape only one page, which contains the 30 rows of business informations. If we click here to view the results, you can see it's showing us the extracted data. It's only showing us the business names and phone numbers. This doesn't mean that it's not capable to scrape the other informations. If you look back and see in this video, many businesses we scraped 30 there were no websites or email addresses they have added in their Yellow Pages listings and map links. We have disabled it, so it has not scraped. That was very less data. If you scrape in thousands, definitely you will get other informations as well, because there are very less chances that out of 1,000 leads, none of these has been updated their email addresses or websites on their listing pages. Remember, this software scraped the information only which is available on Yellow Pages. If any information which is not present on company's Yellow Page listing, the software will show that as blank anyways. The CSV file has been also created and saved where we define the path, so that's how this software works. Along with this, you will find several other softwares and tools related to email and SMS marketing on our official website. We provide the free installations as well. You just need to contact us after purchase on our support email. Thanks for watching this video.